While television and internet advertisements get paid according to the public, the 400,000 billboards in France do not have access to any precise information about the audience. And in Smart Counter, we believe that ad panels need audience monitoring. We believe that because with audience monitoring, we can measure the impact of every ad in every ad panel. With this measure, the ad panel company can propose to its clients a better customer service and even change its business model. And some methods have already tried to extract the whole potential of this market, but all without success. Some of them are sensor-based, such as beacons, but their accuracy is under 10%. But the mostly used technology today is manual counting. The big issue with this method is that it's punctual, and we cannot afford to put someone to count people at every ad panel at every time. Finally, there's already camera-based counting. But do you want Big Brother watching you? I don't think so. And our solution can avoid all of these problems at once. We are in the sweet spot of the accuracy-price comparison. I will show you with more details why you should choose us. First of all, we use the zero-G technology. That means that our product is GDPR by design. That means that it's completely impossible for us to send any kind of picture or video to the cloud. We also offer high accuracy performance, with nearly 90% of counted people every time. And the low power and low cost technologies that we use make our product affordable for everyone. Finally, we provide data services that allows our customer to have their data, to analyze their data performance and to increase their revenues. And all of this in a unique end-to-end solution that begins with an image sensor that is connected to an artificial intelligence where we embed our algorithm. Then the number, and only the number, is sent to the cloud. In the other side, our customer can connect to a user-friendly dashboard and get this number via an API. Now I will reveal some of the ingredients of our secret sauce. First of all, you have detection. In this part, we take the image and extract the people positions. But this solution alone cannot allow us to count people directly. That's why we implemented a tracking algorithm. In the tracking algorithm, we are able to follow pedestrians from one frame to another, and then know if someone is entering the field of view or going out from it. And now, this is enough information to count people in real time. And this whole algorithm is embedded in a plug-and-play solution. We offer a small and modular product that can be adaptable to any kind of ad panel. It doesn't matter the size or the shape. And our client will be able to connect to it via a user-friendly interface. The customer can choose his device by the device ID. But for people like me that doesn't remember every device ID and don't have a very good memory, we propose a map that can allow us to connect to the device that we choose via its localization. After choosing the device, we can monitor the number of counted people in a user-friendly dashboard. The data can be obtained every 10 minutes. But if we want to have a wider point of view, we can choose to visualize the data every 24 hours or even 48 hours. And our project won't stop here. We worked during the last 6 months in body recognition and counting. But we would like to add to our portfolio some new features, such as face recognition or age and gender detection. And this would help us to expand to other markets, such as event management or retail, where it could be very helpful to count people in order to supervise the event logistics or even to do queue management. In the security market, it could be very useful to know if people is staying in forbidden places. And finally, in the construction market, we could be interested to verify if people are wearing helmets. And to get advantage of these huge markets, we prepared a diversified business model. In order to have a fast return on investment, our key revenue will be hardware selling. But we will also propose API subscription to our clients in order to get permanent revenues. And finally, if our client will need a specific application, let's say, for example, a pizza detector, we could charge to our clients application customization. And to go further, we prepared a very tight schedule. Today, we achieved the proof of concept, but with a fully functional device that can handle one application. But our product can show some limits. And in order to have the product that best fits the market, we will test and develop new features such as 25-meter range or the possibility of having 2 applications in the same device. Once we choose the best product, we will launch industrialization and then commercialization. We will take artificial intelligence closer and make it safer. Thank you.
I'd like to show you how our smart counter works. Look at the sample in my hand. It's easy to install and use. You just need to connect it to the power supply and switch it on. The camera sensor will get the video streaming as the input. The Sigfox antenna will send the counting result to the cloud. So what happens inside can lead us to the output. This is the job of AI. AI will process the input from the camera sensors and output the counting result. I'd like to use a video to show it. Please note that this video just helps us debug. Our smart counter never stores any video while working. The upper left corner is the total number of people counted. Look at this person. Even if half of his body is covered by a car, our system can still count him. At this moment, another person is detected. I'm not sure you can see clearly if the index near the top of the bounding box. The color is blue, which means that this person is detected for the first time. At the next moment, his index turns to red, which means that this person has been detected before. At the same time, the number of people counted rises from 1 to 2. Now we can wait for the end of the video to get the final number of people counted. Okay, the final counting result is 16. Remember this number. We will check it through our dashboard. First of all, we log in. Next, we can choose our device through the map and list. We can also select a time to find our result quickly. Finally, we can see the result is exactly 16. Our smart counter works well. Thank you.